First of all, I thank the organizers for giving me a chance to be before you. I think much has been said about the subject, and I need not to say much more about the subject. My previous eminent speakers have highlighted each and everything regarding the perceptions. As you know, I belong to Rajasthan. There are about 79 minerals, major and minor, which Rajasthan is mining, and 3,000 major and 28,000 minor leases are in operation. Almost 17.5% of state's population is directly or indirectly dependent on mining. Such a large population which is depending on mining, even then mining is having a bad name. There are number of things which we may think about. I will not repeat in much length. One is polluting the environment, mining polluting the environment. Another is not using eco-friendly mining practices. Third is unauthorized illegal mining. Fourth, as well said, mine owners are getting rich and rich by mining the minerals in the eyes of the common man. And this is fueled by the news agencies, media, by publishing the scams regarding mining in last 3-4 years. Of course, involvement of court, various judgments, they also gave bad name to the mining. Much of the things can be changed if we can use transparent systems and to aware the common man regarding procedure of mining and what miners are doing with regards to environment. Government procedures are also very cumbersome, complicated. As you know, yesterday's press conference was also with the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court. The rules, the sections of the acts do not match with each other, and that give rises such type of complications. To simplify, or we have to suggest for simplification of the procedures. When Honorable Supreme Court in 2010 stopped minor mineral mining by a single order in all over the India, Rajasthan was the first state who took initiative and merged all environmental conditions in the minor mineral rules and removed the requirement of getting environment clearance. So, why cannot we merge the rules, the different rules which applicable to mining in our mining rules itself, and remove the necessity of getting various clearances from various other departments. If we have to go for single window, we have to make such type of systems. Otherwise, if we say we will go for single window and get the clearance from environment and get the clearance from other agencies, revenue department, and separate rules for land acquisition, and then I don't think कि mining में single window कभी काम करेगा. It will not be possible. We have to merge all the different rules in our parent mining rules itself. Then only it can be possible to have transparent systems and early disposal of applications.